Welcome to our Monster Jam Mini Madness tournament. We're going to race 32 minis, groups of 4, and see who goes farther. Whoever touches the little weight at the end of the track automatically moves on to the next round. Alright, so group 1, we've got Gravedigger, Earthshaker, Dragon, and Max D. Go. Oh, Gravedigger goes farther. Ooh, so what do we have? We got gold Son of a Digger,
Yeah,
gold Gravedigger, gold silver El Toro Loco, and is it Ice Dragon?
Yeah.
Go. Oh, Son of a Digger went farther. Oh, Son of a Digger went. Okay, so we got Northern Nightmare, Blue Thunder, Fire Megalodon, and Fire Zombie. Go. Oh, Megalodon's gonna win. Megalodon's gonna win. We got Bakugan Dragonoid, Black Ops Soldier Fortune, Gravedigger, and Brodozer. Go. Oh, it's a close race. So we got 2 winners in that one. So we got Soldier Fortune Black Ops and Bakugan Dragonoid. Both won, both advanced. Group 5 is going to be Sparkle Smash, Earthshaker, see-through with see-through tires and see-through frame, Bakugan Dragonoid, and Blue Thunder. Go. Oh, Blue Thunder came off the track. Oh, Blue Thunder came off the track. Group 6, we've got Sparkle Smash, Gold Megalodon, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, and Monster Mutt. Let's go. Oh, Monster Mutt wins. Oh, Monster Mutt wins. Okay, Group 7, we've got Calvera, Zombie, Soldier Fortune, and Son of a Digger. Go. Son of a Digger wins. Group 8 of round 1, our last race, we have Blacked Out Max D, another Calavera, a Monster Mutt Dalmatian, and a Monster Mutt. Go. Oh, Calavera wins. Calavera. Okay, we're going to start round 2 with Fire Megalodon, Gold Son of a Digger, Monster Mutt, and Black Ops Soldier Fortune. Let's go. Monster Mutt wins. Nobody else touched the weight though. Monster Mutt. So our second race in round 2, we're gonna run 3 trucks. We're gonna run Bakugan Dragonoid, Son of a Digger, and Gravedigger. Go. Okay, Gravedigger is fast. Let's load the last 2 trucks up. Our last race of round 2, we've got Bakugan Dragonoid and Calavera. Go. Oh, Bakugan Dragonoid takes it. Oh, Bakugan Dragonoid takes it. Oh, Calavera almost reached the weight and almost advanced anyway. You think it counts?
Yeah.
Maybe. You want to take Calavera into the next round? Okay. And Bakugan Dragonoid. Okay, so they're both advanced. This is our semifinal round. The first bracket is Bakugan Dragonoid and Gravedigger. First race of this semifinals. Let's go. Oh, Bakugan Dragonoid came off the track a little bit. Gravedigger won. Oh, Bakugan Dragonoid. Race 2 between Gravedigger and Bakugan Dragonoid. Gravedigger's up 1-0. Go. Oh, Gravedigger. Oh, Gravedigger. Race 3 of our semifinal bracket 1. Gravedigger has 2 and Bakugan Dragonoid has 1. Go. Oh, go! Gravedigger and Bakugan Dragonoid both hit the weight. Oh, go! What? Gravedigger won. Gravedigger got to 3 points first. Our other semifinal bracket is between Monster Mutt and Calavera. Race 1, let's go. Monster Mutt came from behind. Monster Mutt came from behind. Both touched the weight though, so they both earn a point. Tied at 1. Here's race 2 between Monster Mutt and Calavera. Let's go. All right, race 3 of bracket 2. Got Monster Mutt and Calavera tied at 2. Okay, ready? Let's go. Monster Mutt wins. Wins. So race 1 of our finals between Gravedigger and Monster Mutt. Let's go. Gravedigger was faster. Gravedigger earned a point in race 1. Gravedigger's up 1-0 on Monster Mutt. Here's race 2. Let's go. Oh, Monster Mutt. Oh, Monster Mutt got it. Oh, Monster Mutt. We're tied at 1. Monster Mutt won that last one. Okay, so here's race 3. Let's go. Gravedigger wins that one. So Gravedigger wins. Congratulations on being our first minis tournament winner, Gravedigger. Grim approves, I think. Unless they buy to the kids.
Bye. Like and subscribe our videos.